Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live video here at Melling Close, the property that's in front of me. It is a fantastic 4-bed detached family home in the Lower Earley area. I'm just spinning around just to give you an idea of just how quiet this is. This lovely little cul-de-sac, just showing you down here. So that's the entranceway into it. It's lovely and quiet, as you can see in here. And what helps, definitely, that the sun is shining. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you first of all the driveway, so we can see the 2 cars here, easily spaced here for another 3. So total of probably 4 cars safely. You also have side access. I'm just going to show you around here. So you have the fenceway here, which you could soon open up to a gate. Plus also you have a gate around the other side of the property around here to take you into your back garden. And I'll just ping up here. There we are. So I'll show you the back garden in just a moment. So what we'll do, without further ado, let's head on in to this property. So when you first walk in, the first thing you'll notice is just the level of finish in this property as well. It's lovely and high, lovely tiled floor, and this tiled wall as you enter as well. And it's really welcoming. You've got a really good sized hallway. If I just spin back round to the front door, you can see there, nice, good quality front door. And then you have like a little shoe cupboard, something like that. Oh, hello there. Right. So coming on into your main reception room, and I'm just going to pan around to show you the bay fronted window coming on round here, and then this lovely open plan reception diner, lovely feature fireplace around here with LED lights to highlight that as well. Really spacious. It's a good quality wood flooring on here as well. Just making sure that you can see it all. Really spacious, lovely and bright with the dual aspect windows as well. So with this being a live video, you are able to ask me questions throughout, and I will do my best to answer them. Just pinging back around to give you an idea of the size of it, and then showing you out the back garden. We'll head on out there once we've come through for the kitchen. So coming on through, so we have a pantry here with the folding door. So this is the cupboard under the stairs. Space saving door, makes it really well, works really well. And then this here is your kitchen breakfast area. Lovely and bright. These low level LED lights as well. And this marble top breakfast bar. And it's all marbled throughout. Really high quality finish. Double oven, AEG brand, so it's a really good high quality kitchen. 5-ring gas burner. Coming on through, we've got fitted built-in dishwasher. Here's your sink here, so you've got filtered water as well. And then there's your back garden. So there's one more room before we head on out. I know I keep teasing it to you, but there's one more room down here, which is your home office, second reception room, snug, something like that. It did used to be the garage, but it's since been converted. And again, they've done it to a really high standard as well. All fitted units, the space-saving door out and then back out to there. So on this, with this being the live video, as I said, you can ask me questions. You can also request private viewings, and I can see people are already starting to do so. So our team will be in touch and arrange for you to come out and have a look at the property yourself. Downstairs WC, always helpful. And then what we'll do, time's come, guys, we're going to head on outside. This lovely stained glass window. And this is the rear garden, and it's a lovely space to chill out and relax in. Just wandering down pathway, and then I'll flip round in a second and just show you the back of the house. So you have a good sized shed that would be remaining, and then nice, and here we are. So it's a lovely space, really could be a fantastic family home, could be your family home as well. So do feel free to get in touch with anything there. Just showing you around the back, and you can see as well that you've got space. So if people, one thing that this family have looked at is whether or not to extend backwards, and obviously under permitted developments you'd be more than entitled to maybe a small conservatory, orangery, or squaring off the kitchen to your reception room as well. Next door I've got a nice little conservatory there, or quite a large one actually, just showing you that side access there. So it's all possible, and the reason that the current owners haven't done so is because they've moved down to London, so this will be sold as a no chain property as well. And yeah, so what we'll do is let's head on up and I'll show you the 4 bedrooms upstairs as well. So this is a really good property, it's a fantastic family home, and it's really welcoming, lovely and light as well, neutrally decored as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you one of the smaller bedrooms first of all. So that's this one here. So this is bedroom 4. It's a small double, but what it does have are fitted wardrobes. So you would be able to get the double bed in, but then you don't need more storage because it already comes with the built-in storage there. So works really well. Child's room, or again maybe a home office if you're working from home. This is bedroom 3. So a really nice sized double, quite large furniture, again built-in wardrobes, and it's to a high quality as well. And you can see there they've sort of upgraded the plug sockets and the light switches as well, and being built in as well, you've got drawers in there, and then there should be hang space. There we are. A really good, comfortable double bedroom. Come on through to this one here, and this is I suppose either bedroom 1 or 2. I'm just walking to the side at the moment. The reason I say this is because this one also has its ensuite bathroom. Nice big shower. Just on here, just showing you that there. So it's probably about an 1100ml shower, so not quite the full double, but certainly bigger than the normal. Nice large sink, and again finished to this high quality marbled tiles, and then your fitted wardrobes as well. All really high quality. Looking back out over the front, and what I love is the fact that you're looking out over a road as opposed to someone else's house, something like that. So it's a lot more private than a lot of the others in the area. There is question there about the loft. So there it is there. So you've got loft access. You've got loft access there. It is boarded as well. This is your huge water tank. Certainly will give you more than enough for you there. So we've seen 3 of the 4 bedrooms. So now this one here, again, so if you're using the other one as bedroom 1, this would be bedroom 2. Slightly smaller, so I suppose this would be more of the second bedroom, second suite. Again, the fitted wardrobes to a nice high standard as well. Comfortable double, I can easily walk around it, and they've really thought about the space as well. These sort of recessed shelves on the corner part works really well, and then hang space. And what I'll do, excuse the weird camera angle, but again, this is your shower, really high quality. So it's lovely marbled finish. Again, probably an 1100ml shower. Hello again. All finished really to a high quality as well. And this one here obviously has your extractor fan. All the bathrooms have the extractor fans, plus also the window there, so you shouldn't have any issues at all with any damp or mould. So I have to say, guys, that's about it. Really want to thank you for joining me as I show you this property. Do please get in touch if you would like to view yourself. Yeah, I'd love to show you around. Just trying to give you an idea of how much space you have here. At no point do you feel claustrophobic in this house. The hallway, the landing, really nice and wide. They've decorated it really brightly as well, so it's this lovely welcoming home. I love the tiled floor down here as well. And then it does also have the alarm as well. It's a lovely safe area, but you do have that. And for me, I love this wall here. So if there is no other questions, anything like that, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one. All the best.